There's a big concern spending 2 to 3 years, with a lot of hard work building up a brand across these platforms only to have a platform go obsolete. Is there a way to ensure, as platforms come and go, all the hard work that we do?
No, because people are confused. When you brand properly for those 2 or 3 years, you get the brand value. When I crushed Twitter from 2007 to 11, I got the brand value even though Twitter declined after that. I still know who Dane Cook and Tila Tequila are because they crushed MySpace 30 years ago. Like, just because you don't reach as many people organically doesn't mean what you did for 2 or 3 years didn't work. You didn't keep your users on television and print and radio and billboards. We're not here to amass lists that we can reach in perpetuity. We're here to build brand.
Is there a strong way to transfer those users on the platform to new platforms as they come, if you can see them declining?
Yes, bring fucking value to them while you've got them on the platform and their attention, and they will fucking find you on the new shit.
Thanks, Gary.
You're welcome. You want to hear something funny? I wish everything that was relevant right now disappeared and we all started over tomorrow on paper.com. I'd be the most followed fucker in the world.